Sheikh Mohammed orders emergency teams to rain-affected Fujairah and eastern region Dubai. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai, on Wednesday instructed the Ministry of Interior to dispatch emergency teams from all Emirates to support rescue operations in Fujairah and the eastern parts of the country that witnessed heavy rain on Wednesday. Sheikh Mohammed directed the Ministry of Community Development to transfer all families affected by rain and floods in the country's eastern region to makeshift shelters in collaboration with local bodies and book hotels for the affected families that live in high-risk areas. Employees in remote areas have also been ordered to work from home on Thursday and Friday. In line with the directives of Sheikh Mohammed, Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Crown Prince of Dubai and Chairman of the Executive Council, has ordered rescue teams in Dubai be sent immediately to support operations in Fujairah and eastern parts of the country.
الدنيا غرقت مسكنكم خلاص. لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. الله يعوض عليهم يا رب. الله يعوض عليهم يا رب. باي وين حديد؟ هذا حديد وين؟ هذا القمع ها؟ وين الحديد يا ابوك متكسر؟ ايه الله يجزيك خير.
ابوي خلاص الونان اشتغل والفجيره غرقت. شوف والله المساكين غاطين، حريم ريايين تامين.